Okay, just doing a quick read of the problem. I think there might be an error in the typesetting. I think they're probably, I'm not saying you couldn't answer this one. I'll have to look at the Wells's text to know what happened over here. But I really think they want to know what A21 is. But I'll check it. If I need to come back and correct this, I'll correct it. All right? But anyway, I'm going to say they want A21. So what am I going to do? I'll write down this is 21 over 22 would be equal to, well, this is the sum formula, 21. This is 2. A1 is minus 9 over 22 plus A21. All right? And let me see if I can do that. And I'm going to divide both sides by 21 and multiply both sides by 2. So if you did that, again, I'm going to divide by 21 and multiply by 2. And then you'd get this over here. Minus 9 over 22 plus A21. Well, this is going to be 2 over 22 plus 9 over 22 equals A21. And what's that going to give you? 11 over 22 is going to be A21. What does that give you? 1/2 equals A21. All right? So I'm going to say A21 is a half. By the way, I also believe this is an error. I will correct it. All right? So I believe this should really be A21 here. All right? So, the next thing is, what's the D in the problem? And I could do it. By the way, I could still tell you what A21 is after I find the D. But what I want to do is I want to go through how I do this now. All right? So I want to know what A21 is, right? So I'll put this over here. A21 is a half. And what's that equal to? It's equal to A1, which is minus 9 over 22. And again, this is A21. Plus, well, I reduce it by 1, it's 20. And then what do you get over there? Let's see, what's the D? I don't know what the D is. I'll put the D down. All right, what do you got over here? 1/2 equals minus 9 over 22 plus 20D. Well, I guess I got some work to do here, don't I? So it's 11 over 22 equals minus 9 over 22 plus 20D. This is going to be 20 over 22 equals 20D, or D would be equal to 1 over 22. That's right over here. By the way, if they did want to know A22, that would equal A1. I'm sorry. Plus 21 times D, which is 1 over 22. That's if they want to know that. You could do that. I think I made a typo there. But again, I'll look back over the textbook to see if I did a typo. And if it is a typo, I'll correct it. And if it's not a typo, I'll have to put that answer in. And let me write that down for you now if they did answer A22, which would be a tricky question. Tricky. I could understand misreading it. And what would you get over there? Well, 22 on the bottom, common denominator. And minus 9 plus 21 would be 12. Right? Let's see if I did that right. Yeah, 12. And if I reduce that, what would you get? 6/11. All right. I don't think they asked that question, though. Thank you.